Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this easy chignon in just a few minutes. To start, I'm going to section off just around the crown area of the head, going a little bit behind the crown at the back, so you're making a big circle shape. And we're just going to tie this into a ponytail using an elastic band. Next, I'm going to apply some spray wax over the top of the head to control flyaways. I'll pop this in the description below. Then we're going to make a hole behind that elastic band, pop a couple of fingers through, grab the ponytail and pull it all the way back through that hole to create a twist. Then loosen up the crown area by pinching and pulling the hair. And we're also going to pinch and pull at those twists on both sides. Now we're going to leave a little bit of hair out at the front and divide the remaining hair in half down the back of the head. And starting on the right hand side, I'm going to tie it into a ponytail, but on the last turn of the elastic band, only pull it part way through to create a small loop. Then repeat on the left hand side. Now with the tail ends, starting on the left hand side, I'm just going to grab hold of them and wrap them around that elastic band, and then just use a couple of bobby pins to pin them in place. And we're going to repeat it on the right hand side, so wrap your tail ends around the elastic band and pin them to the head. Next, to create the chignon, pop your hand through the middle of the loop on the right hand side, grab that left hand loop and pull it all the way through so the loops end up on opposite sides of the head. Then, using a couple of bobby pins, secure both the right and the left hand side of that chignon. Add as many pins as you need to keep it secure. And then I've just added a couple of pins at the bottom. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.